So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and then type in settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on accessibility on the bottom left, and then you want to scroll down and then click on keyboard. You want to make sure that both sticky keys and toggle keys have been turned off. So you want to turn this off. See if that works for you. And now for the second method, you want to head over to search and then type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to expand keyboards, and then you want to find your keyboard. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure they have the best drivers for your device installed. If your keyboard comes with a software like my one, so I'm using a G213 keyboard and it comes with G-Up software, I'm going to click on my keyboard and then click on settings. Make sure your firmware is up to date on your software. Another thing you could also try is just by unplugging your keyboard and then plugging it back in. Also, you could try to clean your keyboard keys by removing your keycaps and then taking out all the dust and dirt off your keyboard. See if that works for you. But once you try all these methods, just do a simple restart of your computer, and then hopefully this will fix the problem. If not, your keyboard might be broken.